Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am in my craft room trying to get ahead on some of the collaborations that I want to participate in this week. So today is what, Sunday the 19th? Yeah, Sunday the 19th. But you won't see this video naturally until Tuesday. So this is going to be for hashtag Tag Tuesday. And I am using some very random things that I was looking at because I like the foil on them. I have some thank you cards that I purchased from Dollar Tree some time ago. You probably have seen them in there too. I like these a lot. They have, even though this says thanks, you see that foil on it? I loved it, okay? So I have some of these, just a regular envelope that, believe it or not, whenever I am working on Lena's beauty box and I'm putting packages together, I always have like a plethora of different types of seasonal cards. And this is typically for Valentine's Day. Naturally, you can tell I got 3 of them. What I love about this, again, is this foil on here. So I'm going to gut it. I'm going to take this out and probably put it into another, I don't know, cover, you know, at some point in time when it's time to use it for Valentine's Day. Cut this off, but I like this. I like the side of it, so that's why I have a couple of these. Also, I think a few weeks back, I did a slight haul video from Michael's where I got these bags. It was these and these in a pack for they were like $3. I think they were $3. Let me double check. Let me just double check because I have them sitting right here. No, yeah, they were $3. So it was like 13 in a pack for $3. And I'm going to use these. Why? Because for Christmas, I'm doing, you know, even though this is hashtag Tag Tuesday, I'm still going to be operating in the schematic and the theme of hashtag Christmas in July. Let me get this thing on my fingers right. If I have glue and stuff everywhere or something I can't do anything with. Okay, I might end up taking it off too. But yeah, because of the beautiful foil on these, I want to try to utilize these in my crafting for hashtag Tag Tuesday and hashtag Christmas in July. So you know what? Let's go ahead and get to it. Right off the bat, I'm going to, see, this is why I get in trouble. See what I'm doing? Okay. I want to go ahead and take out the ropes of this. I might need to do this from the bottom. But again, you see what I've been doing to myself. Y'all know. You all know you are wonderful crafters and creators. And you probably saying, why don't you go sit down? Well, I can't. I was watching movies and relaxing a little bit. But I feel like crafting too. So let me find out the opening here. So here's the little opening right here. This way. Let me move this out the way right now because I don't need it for right now at the moment. Let me take this apart here. If I take this apart here, then it'll make it a lot easier. Just go ahead and snatch this piece out and this piece out, well, without doing further damage to myself. So let me go ahead and take the other ones out, and I'll be right back because I don't want you to have to listen to all that crinkling noise, okay? So now I basically have taken these apart, which now it's a lot easier for me to work with. And now, you know, like I know, I'm not going to be able to remove the scoring in here, but it will give me a better idea of where I want to do some cutting. I'm going to make this tag a 3x7. Then on top of that, I've got to remove all of that little rough edge piece there too. So I've cut these down, and this is what I have so far. But because They're bags. This is like flimsy. Cards like, this is not as flimsy, but still, it's not really sturdy. What I'm going to do is back these using some of my cardstock that I have. I've chosen, this is an Astro Bright. I don't know if you can tell, it has like little specks in it. The reason I chose this is because of the little specks and colors. It's got like little red, little green, little pieces like that. I'm going to use this as the backer because, like I said, I wanted to have that Christmas theme. So that's what I'm going to do. And in a minute, I'll come back and show you how it looks. Now, I've backed all of these. And really, they need to dry, but I'm a little impatient. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of start at least doing some of my little corners. And here are these so far. Now, I'm going to go through my stash of things that I have been purchasing. You know, like the hauls when we buy these beautiful stickers. Well, this is what I'm going to go through. All right, so let's figure it out. Here's some now, right here. Give me a minute. I'm going to go through here and see what I have, and then I'm going to pull out what I can, and then we'll get started again. So I wanted to show you that the bags that I used to create a couple of these tags, they were $3. There were 13 in a pack. They were from the Celebrate It selection over in Michael's. One of the reasons I'm showing you these is because, yes, I like the foil on here, but something that I discovered while working on these, they're very easy to clean off. That's a plus. They have some sort of coating on here, maybe some sort of thin lamination. I'm not 100% certain. If you decide at some point in time to use these types of bags in your crafting, whether it's tags or any other project, and you elect to try to do some inking, I want to make you aware of the fact that the inking is going to smear. It's not going to stay on there. It's going to bead up. Now, it may stay on the edges, but if you choose to do any true inking on top, it's not going to stay. I just wanted to show you that beforehand, okay? So this is what I've gotten to thus far with my tags, and now I'm about to put some eyelets on here. But now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my holes for all of my tags. So here are the tags that I made for hashtag Tag Tuesday and hashtag Christmas in July. I originally was about to put some of this twine on it, and then I waited. I stopped because for me, a lot of the things that I'm making right now, they are going to either go in a journal, giveaway. I'm gonna use them in some sort of capacity, and I don't want to tie down a particular twine or color that I don't want to use according to what I use. So these are the tags that I came up with. Keep in mind, what I used to make these tags was foil. Hold on. What I used to make these tags were these bags, pieces from old Valentine's Day cards that I have in stock, some stickers out of this Hobby Lobby book that I bought last year, year before, some Temu stickers that I had, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and the Hobby Lobby packet of ephemera. This one is what, $2.99. So it's this particular packet that they just came out with this year. And I only had one packet, so I just wanted to grab some bits and pieces out of here. So this is what I've used to make these tags this week. And let me show you what I've got. So this is a tag that has, from the card, one of the cards that I had, and then this is just a regular, one of the envelopes, well, the envelope that I showed earlier. And this is a piece of a tag that I made last year. I had maybe a couple of pieces left. So I went ahead and just layered this. And this sticker right here came from the Hobby Lobby sticker book that I just showed you. Show these together. These two tags came from the Valentine's Day card that I showed you. This is a piece of the ephemera. It was a full, here it is, full card, but I just cut it down. And these pieces right here are from the sticker book from Hobby Lobby that I showed you a second ago. Once again, this came from the card. And here is some ephemera that came from Hobby Lobby. It had some extra trimming around it. I cut that off. And this came from another piece of ephemera that was in Hobby Lobby's pack. It was around a wreath. I just cut all the extra pieces off. So that's what this came from. This came from the bag, as I explained to you earlier. Whenever working with bags from Michaels, they have a very slick coating on them. So this is what this came from the bag. This is one of the stickers that came out of my Temu Christmas balls that I had maybe like last year or year before. This and this and this came from the sticker book from Hobby Lobby a second ago. I just took that sticker. This is a piece of white, just a piece of white paper from index cards that I had. This is just the backing. I cut it down. And I inked around the edges using my Windy Beachy Fern Green around the white edge, and then I layered it with the sticker. Here is a piece of ephemera that came out of the pack that I just showed you a second ago. But this and this came out of the sticker book from Hobby Lobby. Well, this, and this came out of the sticker book from Hobby Lobby. Once again, the bags. See, that ink is coming off a little bit. This came from the sticker book. This came from the Hobby Lobby snack bag that I cut up earlier last week and just pulled this out and rounded some corners. This came out of, I think this is a piece of Tim Holtz's collage paper that I had, just a piece of it, so I put it there. Once again, Hobby Lobby, once again, Michael's bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These little pieces, the translucent little pieces that you see, these came from Hobby Lobby's sticker book that I had a second ago. And this is a piece of ephemera that was in Hobby Lobby's pack just a minute ago. Again, 1, 2, 3. These came out of Hobby Lobby's ephemera pack. And these are the tags that I've created for #TagTuesday. And also a little bit of Christmas in July. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peace. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. I greatly appreciate it. Take care.